Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn profile accessibility for better search ranking. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. On your profile page, look for the Edit Public Profile and URL option on the right side of the screen. Click on this option to enter the public profile settings. Here, you'll see a section labeled Edit Visibility. To enhance your profile's accessibility, toggle the setting to public. This will allow anyone, even those who aren't logged into LinkedIn, to view your profile. Next, scroll down to the section that allows you to customize the public profile URL. Click on Edit your custom URL to create a more memorable link. Choose a URL that reflects your name or professional brand for better recognition. Now, return to your profile and focus on your profile picture. Ensure your picture is clear and professional, as this boosts credibility. Next, optimize your headline to include relevant keywords related to your industry. Your headline should capture who you are and what you do in a concise manner. Continue by expanding on your summary section. Incorporate industry-specific terminology, as this helps boost searchability. Things like skills and endorsements also play a crucial role. Make sure to list your key skills and encourage connections to endorse them. Next, review your experience section. Ensure that each role includes detailed descriptions with action verbs and quantifiable achievements. This will make your profile more engaging and informative. Finally, consider connecting with industry groups and participating in discussions. This not only increases your visibility but also enhances your professional network. Once all these steps are completed, your LinkedIn profile will be more accessible and likely to rank higher in searches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.